Mesdames, Messieurs,
Nobody does vegetables like I do. I got so many vegetables. It's going to be incredible, believe me.
this is a video response to a comment suggesting Pete's Pans doesn't feature enough vegetables. So today we're making vegetables great again with a classic Poulet en cocotte, pot roast chicken with a huge amount of vegetables. Anyone who doesn't want vegetables is a loser, zero taste. Now, you know I only work with the best, so I refer every day to Madame Sainte Ange from 1927. She's a tremendous cook, really tremendous, a classy lady, you'll see. So we got so many beautiful vegetables from turnips, carrots, potatoes, shallots, garlic, leeks. It's phenomenal. Quite honestly, I'd give myself an A+ for vegetables. Madame tells us that the vegetables for the poulet en cocotte change with the seasons and the means, and that the variations are unlimited. However, certain techniques remain constant. Generous seasoning inside and out, onion and lemon inside the cavity are optional. Trussing is crucial to keep an even shape in the pot. Et voilà. Now, of all the vegetables, the shallots or small pearl onions require a little extra cooking time. So these will be cooked initially à l'étuvée, a knob of butter, a pinch or two of sugar and a pinch of salt. Water halfway up the sides of the vegetables and cook until all the water is reduced, has evaporated away, turning the onions as you go so they cook evenly. The butter and the sugar will caramelize on the bottom of the pan and lightly color the vegetables. Done. Set aside. Now the pieces of pork belly, lardons, are cooked in just a drop of oil to render out their fat which serves to brown the chicken on all sides. In butter and oil, all the other vegetables are also given a head start. They're seasoned and tossed in the fat for a couple of minutes, aiming for just a little colour too. A splash of white wine may be added to the chicken at this stage, entirely optional. There'll still be plenty of sauce without the addition of any extra liquid. If you enjoy well-done vegetables, they can be added now, from the start. I prefer mine a little al dente, so I hold off until the final 20 or 25 minutes of cooking. The chicken itself, if small, like this one, under a kilo, just a couple of pounds, will take 45 minutes. If larger, an hour or more. Go ahead and use the oven if available. Back in 1927, Madame didn't give an oven temperature, but somewhere around the 375 Fahrenheit, 190 degrees would be a good bet. Once cooked, the sauce can be strained into a sauce boat. Such a shame not to be able to share this delightful poulet en cocotte from 1927. Oh la la, the chicken has communicated its flavours to the vegetables, and the vegetables to the chicken, the sauce bursting with roasted chicken and vegetable flavours too. Merci madame. Allez, bon appétit et large soif.